The 50s chord progression. Now, this is another really useful chord progression to know if you're a songwriter, especially if you're first starting out. It's always good to learn from things that have worked before, and this is a really cool sounding chord progression that's not too complicated to do. It was really popular in the 1950s and early 60s, hence the name the 50s chord progression. People used to call it the doo-wop changes, and some people call it the ice cream changes as well. I'm going to show you two ways of playing it. So you've got two variations, then using a trusty capo. You can use it in any key you want to. And I've also got the sheets available for free from the link in the description. So let's show you in G first. So we've got the 1 chord in G, which is G. Then we're going to go to the 6 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is E minor. So G to E minor. Then we're going to go to the 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, C major. And then we'll go to the 5 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, D major. And that's basically it. It's just G major, minor, C major, D major. You can see it reeks of the 50s. Now, the other way that I'm going to show you to play it is in the key of C. So C major, the 1 chord, 6 chord again, this time it's going to be in A minor. Then we're at the 4 chord again, which is F major. Now the 5 chord, which is G major. That's basically it. Sounds really cool. Write a song with it. Bang a capo on, do it in different keys, change the rhythms, pick it, do it different times, whatever you want to do, make it your own, write a song with it, learn how to use it. Let us know how it goes in the comment section.